right, let's get the lighting decent. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a put your decorations back up, like your normal crap. Not quite spring, but not quite winter. Just the normal that's up. I've been waiting till I felt like I had some time and I need to just get over it and just realize the kids are gonna be in the video. Grayson's down for a nap. I just took a shower and I'm like, I'm not gonna even wait for my hair to dry. So we're gonna watch my hair dry together. Before I decorate though, we need to clean.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel like I can't lose.
That looks so long. My bad.
Okay, so have a coffee. Mine's practically creamer because that's how I roll. And this is a sad excuse for coffee. It's not really coffee, but hey, let's go. All right, you guys, and today I'm gonna start in the living room. You will see Gabriel pop on here a couple times, and I think this is the first YouTube video that you see him in. So pretty exciting stuff happening here. So what you saw me doing earlier with gathering all the stuff and then walking and putting it in a bin was actually to then go and take it upstairs. So I just got done doing that, putting things away, and I'm still gonna find more stuff that I'm gonna have to put in there, like all this stuff. Those are from Costco, and those slippers are amazing. So back to the living room. Again, more things that need to go upstairs. I'm not gonna lie though, the basket idea was genius for whoever came up with it. It wasn't me. I saw somebody else that was on YouTube doing it, and I was like, that's gonna save me a lot of time. So if you don't already have this in place, make sure you get a basket.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
And now I'm going to show you the stroller that I can't fold up. I have a hard time with just a regular stroller, and apparently a child's one is no different. All right, the living room is tidy. Now onto the front entry. And I had Chelsea here letting me know that she was nearby. Yes, she just got her haircut, so she's looking very stylish right now with that and her little sweater that keeps her warm, or at least I hope it does.
Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
And then right about now is when I heard somebody start to wake up from his nap. Hey, baby. Oh, you cubby. You cubby boy. Hi. Hi. Oh. Finally getting around to putting some pictures up. That's what that Shutterfly thing is for. I need to put some new pictures up around the house, change some out now that we had our new addition in, a year ago. I'm also going to do a video for decluttering my closet, you guys. I'm excited about this. I am. So I'll let you know how that goes. Well, you'll see it. And we can know together.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
You guys, this candle that's from Bath & Body Works has lasted so long. It's the gingerbread scent, and I just got to finish it up because it's not going to make it to the new year. Did you see that? Did you see that little thing that just popped on the screen? Maybe you should rewind it if you didn't, because it was a surprise to me, and he doesn't know what's in here. But when he sees it, he'll probably be irritated. And it was time to bring down the normal decorations bin. Notice I have a lot of floral for it being normal decorations, but you'll see the final result. Not gonna lie, feeling a little springy. So I guess I'll have to go shopping again probably. That's a bummer. Okay, so obviously these curtains are new considering I just got them out of the packaging, and I am not going to lie, I was really excited about them. I had a blue pattern up before, which I kept just in case I didn't like these, and I love these so much more. And they actually block out the light pretty decently whenever they're completely closed, because these windows let in a lot of light, which reflects off the TV and all that stuff. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, got some inspiration. If you have any tips or things I should add, because after I put everything up, I'm like, you know what? My normal decor is kind of springy, and it's not springtime yet, so might have to fix that. But if you guys like the video, like I said, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. The hair is dry now, so clearly it's been some time. Okay guys, I will see you later. Bye.